In the enchanting kingdom of Eldoria, nestled beside whispering woods filled with mystical creatures, lived Princess Lila. Known far and wide for her ever-giving heart and harmonious laughter, she was the joy of her people. Her world, however, turned upside down one eerily quiet morning when Lila slipped into a slumber too deep for even the grandest festival drum to stir her awake. The entire kingdom grew somber and worried as the king and queen scoured the lands. They summoned wise wizards with long beards, mystical healers with foreboding herbs, and the wisest sages who spoke in hushed tones about ancient prophecies. But none could rouse poor Lila. Finally, an old sorceress with a raven on her shoulder revealed the truth. Lila was ensnared in a curse spun by an old, forgotten enemy of her family, a shadowy foe who had long been banished from memory. The sorceress spoke of a prophecy. Their hope lay in the bravery of a pure-hearted quester who could venture into the Enchanted Forest, conquer the Shadow Enchantress, and secure the famed blossom of eternity. Leo, a spirited stable boy who had a knack for understanding what horses didn't say, and Ivy, the adventurous daughter of the gardener whose fingers made flowers bloom twice as bright, offered themselves for the quest. Their courage shone brighter than polished armor, moving the king to grant his blessing upon these ordinary heroes. And so, with promises of dreams and tales of valor glittering in their eyes, Leo and Ivy set foot into the foreboding Enchanted Forest. Guided by Lila's pet owl, Luna, who flapped along with a map full of riddles tied to its little leg, their first test came at the River of Reflection, a shimmering stream that sighed secrets and fears when faced. As both saw their doubts ripple before them, they clasped hands, dismissing fear with their steadfast promise to Princess Lila, and found the courage to wade through together. Just beyond, they stumbled into a sun-dappled glade, its air filled with the giggles of mischievous pixies. These frolicsome creatures tested their wits with riddles that danced from tip of the tongue to laughter. Yet Leo, with a grin cheekier than a fox, solved each riddle, earning the pixies' friendship and, importantly, their guidance to the next path. Walking deeper into the woods, the friends found themselves amidst the talking trees. The ancient giants rhymed and warned of dangers ahead. The trees gifted them a magical acorn, a token of protection, before gently waving them on their way. They reached the crumbling bridge of whispers, hidden in the mist. Its planks suspended above an unknown abyss. Here, the wind itself turned inquisitor, testing them by whispering questions of kindness and honesty. Their genuine hearts shone brightly, and the bridge held firm beneath their steps. Venturing onward, the map lured them into a shadow-filled cavern where smoky creatures coiled with malice. But Leo and Ivy, wise to the mystery of the acorn, used its glow to fend off the shadowy fiends and retrieved the first key. Outside the cavern, Solis, a fox aglow with gentle light, awaited. Solis promised safe passage through darkness if only Leo and Ivy pledged to protect the forest's creatures. And oh, how their eyes filled with promise! Within the labyrinth of echoes, their voices bounced wildly from wall to wall, but Luna, with eyes sharper than an eagle's and wisdom beyond years, helped them find their path and a second